Alright, let's look here at this short revision about percentages and the cross method, which is really one of the most useful methods you can learn in mathematics. It can be used to solve any question from percentages, but it can also be used in different kind of questions. Those 3 questions are for you to do, just to do a little revision. So please calculate the answers for those questions. In the third question, you need to find x. How much is x? And now I will do 4 similar questions. They are the same as yours, just with different numbers, so you can learn how to do them. So first, we have Tom. He had $90 and spent $5. And what percent of his money did he spend? So in cross method, first we need to find 100%. So 100%, that's 90. And then we find what percentage is the 5. So we put 5 on the right side next to the other money, so 90. And this we are looking for. So now we need to use the cross method, and it goes 90 times x, so that's 90x. And 100 times 5. And now we have this equation and we need to solve it for x. So we divide by the number that is next to the x, in this case by 90. So on the left side we'll be left with just the x, and here we need to do dividing 500 divided by 90. I will use an online calculator called Wolfram. This calculator is very good also for calculating more complicated things, but as we can see, it presents us the answers in many different ways, but 5.555 is the final answer. And x was percentage, and here we did percentages, on the right side dollars, so x is 5%. So he spent around 5.5% of his money. Alright, let's jump into the next one. So Bomb spent $20 and that was 33% of his money. How much money did he have at the beginning? Alright, so we know that at the beginning he had 100% and that's x. We need to look for it, right? How much money did he have at the beginning? And $20, oh sorry, in here we have the percentages, right? In here we have the dollars. So $20, that was 33%. Alright, and cross, so 33 times x, 100 times 20, so get 2000 equals 33x. We divide by 33. Let me do it on the Wolfram. So 2000 divided by 33, and this will be the answer. So it's around 60.6. So x equals 60.6. So how much money did he have at the beginning? He had $60.6. This is the answer. All right. Third question. This is a different one. You don't have this as your revision, but we'll just do it because it's a very common question. So price of boat. Oh, 1 second. I just want to check something. Okay. Price of boat went up by 23% and now is 984. So after a 23% increase. So now it's 123%, and that is the 984. And the question is, what was the price of the boat before the increase? So what was the 100%? This is what we are looking for. And we do it standard way. So 123x equals 984, and we add 2 zeros because we multiply by 100. So we get 98400 divided by 123, and we get answer which is 800. So x is 800. So that was the price of the boat before the increase. All right, and the last question here with the triangles. So those triangles are similar. I didn't mention that before, but those triangles are similar. They're the same. One is just bigger than the other, and we need to find x. So we look at the corresponding sides. So for instance, this side and this side. 1 second. All right, let's continue. So those sides, this side and this side, they are on the right side of the triangle. Sometimes those triangles can be flipped, so you need to kind of account for that. But in this case, we have them like that, so it's easy. So 12, that corresponds to 15, and 17, that corresponds to x. So in here we have the left triangle, right? In here we have the right triangle, and this is also a cross method. You can solve it like that. So 12x equals 15 times 17. I don't know how much that is. 15 times 17, let me check, 255. So 12x is 255. Now we divide by 12 to get how much 1x is, and that gives us 21.25. And this is the length of that side of the triangle. All right, so that's everything. Maybe I can zoom out so you can see the calculations. Maybe I'll move it a little bit so it's more visible. All right, so yeah, that's how it works. And in here you have your questions to do some revising. So yeah, good luck with that. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.